Students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see English workbook. Okay, children, today we are going to see English workbook and then see this poem 3 we didn't complete, isn't it, children? Make room for elephants, and it's given in page number 17. Page number 17. Children, all of you take your workbook. So while reading, it will be very easy for you to write. Okay, children? Okay, we'll see the first one. Add the suffixes er, able, ful, en or est to these words. You will be able to use more than one suffix with some of the words. See, here some of the words they have given. For some, one will be coming. For some, two. So for some of the words, we will get three. Okay, children. So suffixes means what, children? First, the words, the letter which we add at the back. See, sharp means at the back. If we add means that is suffix. So prefix means what, children? The letters which we have to add before the word is called prefix. Okay, children. Now we are going to see the suffix only. See, the first one is given. Sharp means with sharper, sharpen, sharpest. See, we have to use these five letters only. Er, able, ful, en and est. These suffixes only you have to use. Only 5 suffixes they have given. With that suffixes you have to write. So second one, punish means only one word will come. That is what? Punishable. What will come, children? Punishable. You have to write punish as it is from the question. And what you have to write, children? Able. able. Punishable. What we have to write? Punishable. Okay. And the third one, employ. Employ means what will come, children? Employer. See, you can add the suffix er also you can add. Employable, able also you can add. So what will come, children? Two words will come. Employer and employable. Okay, children? Okay. And the fourth one, work. Work means the same. Worker will come and workable will come. Okay, worken will not come. Workest also will not come. Okay, children. So worker, worker, workable. Okay, and coming to the fifth one, meaning. Meaning only one will come. See, meaningful. See, you have to add the suffixes at the back. Whether the words will come meaninger, meaningable, meaningful, meaningen, meaningless. If you say itself, you can find out. So for the fifth one, what will come, children? Meaningful. What will come? Meaningful. Okay. And the sixth one is very easy. Long. What all will come, children? Longer. We always say this word, isn't it? Longer, longest. Longful will come, children? No. Longful not will come. Longable will not come. So longer, longest. And then coming to the seventh one, strength. Strengther will not come. Strengthable will not come. Strengthful will not come. Only what will come, children? Strengthen. What will come? Strengthen. You have to write, no need to see. You have to write these words as it is, and then what is suitable for this word, you have to, what you have to do, you have to add the suffix. What are the suffix given? You have to add. Okay, children. And then coming to the last one, agree. Agree means what will come? Only one word will come, agreeable. So, agree, able. Okay, children. Okay. I hope you all have understood. Write neatly as I have written. Okay, children. And coming to the B1, circle the words within the brackets that go with the words in capitals. See, here are the capitals they have given. Crowded, furious, childish, loving, colorful. So here 3 options they have given. What you have to do, which is suitable for the capital letters, you have to, when you read itself, you can find out. See, crowded noise will come, children. Crowded noise. Crowded water will come. No. What will come, children? Crowded place. Crowded place. And coming to the second one, furious. Furious means person will come. Pictures will come or joy will come, children. Furious person. Furious person. And third one, childish. Third one, childish animal will come, children? No. Childish they will come? No. Childish behavior. Childish means what? Kolandathanam we say, isn't it? Childish behavior. And fourth one, loving. What will loving soap will come, children? No. Loving story. What will come? Loving family. Loving family. And the last one, colorful computer or colorful picture or colorful pride, children? Colorful picture. Colorful picture. Okay, children. Now coming to the C1, tick the correct pronouns within the brackets. See, pronouns means what, children? A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. So what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, isn't it? So instead of the noun, pronoun means what, children? A word that is used instead of a noun. Instead of noun means, see, now when example Farhan is there means Farhan means a boy. So what they will use? They can use he, they can use him, isn't it? Likewise, so what you have to do? You have to tick the correct pronoun. You have to tick the correct pronoun. See, my name is Pia. Dash, I am 7 years old. So Pia is what? A boy or girl, I don't know. But when you read this sentence, see, my name is Pia. She am 7 years old. Can you read like that, children? Or we am 7 years old? No, I am 7 years old, isn't it? So which is the correct pronoun? You have to tick it. My name is Pia. I am 7 years old. Second one, I have a pet. I have a pet. It, them, they is a guinea pig. So what will come, children? Them is a guinea pig. They is a guinea pig. No. What will come? It is a guinea pig. I have a pet. It is a guinea pig. And the third one, guinea pigs belong to the rodent family. So what they, she, it. What will come, children? What will come? Pigs. Here pigs are given. Pigs means what? Plural form. So what you have to do, children? You have to take they. What you have to do? They are very gentle and lovable creatures. And coming to the fourth one, my guinea pig is a male called Rainbow. So the guinea pig name is what, children? Rainbow. It's a male pig called Rainbow. Dash, it is 2 years old. Guinea pig means animal, isn't it? We can use we and he. No. So it is 2 years old. Coming to the last one, Rainbow's favorite food is cucumber. Rainbow's favorite food is cucumber. If a cucumber is being cut in the kitchen, he smells him, her, it at once and starts to squeak. Means what, children? What will come? Him will come, her will come, or it will come? It. So Rainbow's favorite food is cucumber. If a cucumber is being cut in the kitchen, he smells it at once and starts to squeak. Okay, children, here sixth one is there. She, he, they will not stop squeaking until he is allowed to have some cucumber. So, see, she, he, they. So, that guinea pig is a male. Isn't it called Rainbow? So, male means what you have to do? We have to use she, he or they, children. He. So, he will not stop squeaking until he is allowed to have some cucumber. Okay, children. And coming to the D1. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. So here what we are going to see, first I will read so you can understand. So here also you have to use the pronoun. So pronoun means what all will come, children? I, we, us, you, her, him, they, them also. Okay, children? Them. Okay, children, so Neeta is a budding artist. Neeta is a girl. Neeta is a budding artist means what? Beginning to develop. Beginning to develop. She is the, now only she is the beginner. Now only she is the beginner. So, Neeta is a budding artist. So, Neeta means what will come, children? He will come or she will come? She. Isn't it, children? See, here full stop is there. So, you have to use capital. Yes. She likes to work with oils and canvas. See, many of them will come to know about oil paints, isn't it, children? I hope some of them will be painting. So, with oils and canvas means a cloth. You know, no, it will be like a canvas shoes are there, isn't it? Likewise, canvas cloth is there. They in that one they will be drawing. In that one they will be drawing. So, she likes to work with oils and canvas. Dash began to paint at a very young age. So, what, children? She began to paint at a very young age. When she was very small age itself, she began to paint. So Nita's aunt, a well-known portraitist. So this means what, children? Painter. Portraitist means what, children? Painter. So Nita's aunt was a well-known painter. So what she decided? She decided to teach her. So she taught. Here she will come, children. No, what will come here? Because in this whole paragraph we are going to see about Nita. Isn't it, children? Okay. So what you have to do here? You have to put here. So when you read itself, you can find out. So you can't write here she. Taught she the fundamentals. Can you write, children? No. So she taught her the fundamentals. Fundamentals means what? Step by step, basic things of painting with watercolors. She, from where is she from? With watercolors she is making her to, she is teaching Nita. But Nita mastered it soon enough but never enjoyed. So Nita mastered means what? She was very thorough in watercolors, how to draw like that. But she was not happy. Why she was not happy, children? Because she likes to work with oils and canvas, isn't it, children? But she mastered it soon enough but never enjoyed it. It means what, children? The colors, the paintings. So it refers to the paintings. So it will come. One day Nita's father took her to an art gallery to see an exhibition by a well-known artist. So Nita's father is taking her to the what gallery means exhibitions where all the paintings will be there. So he is taking there because they have kept in an exhibition. So it was conducted by a well-known artist. Nita walked around the gallery. So she walked around the gallery means the room where the paintings have kept. So she walked around the gallery. She was awestruck. She was shocked. She was very much admired. She was very much admired by the rich and the lifelike paintings. See, all the paintings look like what? It's as though it's all alive. அப்படியே சொல்லுவோம்ல, அப்படியே ரியலாக இருக்குது. Like that we will say, no. So she was very awestruck by the rich and the lifelike paintings. The works on display were on canvas. So all the paintings, all the displays were on where, children? On the canvas. Dash were all done in oil paints. So these were done in oil paints drawn on a canvas cloth. So here what will come, children? These also paintings. It refers to the paintings. Where is there? So its plural is there. So they were all done in oil paints. As Nita gazed at the painting. Gazed means what? Looking keenly, looking carefully at the paintings. That she thought to herself. She thought to herself, I too want to paint with oils and canvas. So see, she was very much interested in oils and canvas only, isn't it, children? So she was not happy while her aunt taught her with watercolors, but she mastered in it. So one day what father is still doing? He took to the exhibition and he showed all the paintings there. So she was very admired. She was awestruck by the rich, which all look like a lifelike paintings. So at last what she did? She decided. What she decided? I too want to paint with oils and canvas. Okay, children, that's all. And see, this one I am going to give you as homework, children. See, write a rhyming poem of 4 lines. Only 4 lines you can write. Use some of these pairs of rhyming words or make up your own. Give your poem a suitable title. For writing the 4 lines, you have to give a suitable title And see, here are the rhyming words. High, sky, hairy, scary, laugh, scarf, bear, cat. So, you can use these rhyming words. Otherwise, you can use your own rhyming words. But the poem should be correct. The poem should be correct. Only 4 lines you can use. Wherever comma, full stop you have to use. So, you put a title here and then you write 4 lines. Okay, children? Will you do? I will see how many of them are sending. If you cannot write means later I will send, but I will see how many of them are writing on their own. Okay, children, now I have completed poem 3 workbooks. Children, you have to complete, children. Many are not writing. You write as soon as we send, you have to write it. Okay, children, we'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.